What's up, you guys? It's your boy T Steady Wix, and this is going to be a video. So this is the page manner. You see all these flashes in those windows. Those are fire alarms. You can like barely hear those fire alarms. Everybody evacuated. We got fire trucks here, police here, and ambulance here. You see these strobes flashing all over the floors. Okay, gotta get these people off there. Okay, see, so the windows starts from 3rd, 4th, and 5th. That's where the fire alarms are going off. And it sounds like low frequency sounders and those high pitched piercing noise, which would be the mini horns, what you believe. At least everybody's alright, so. So one truck 7 is there. So that would be the aerial truck. 1 engine 2, that's their engine. You get slightly hear the alarm go off, those frequency sounders, those low frequency sounders. You see those windows starts from the floors 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, as you can hear, it's the fire alarms going off in the background. You see all the strobes flashing all over. You can tell that they're not synchronized. They're flashing all over. So the lower pitch that you hear is the low frequency sounders, what it sounds like, that tone. At 520 hertz. Looks like the alarms has been reset since the alarm's been cut off. I don't even know if they even have audible silence. No. High pitch ones, the high pitch horn, the mini horns, they have like that piercing sound to it, so looks like they got the alarm set. So this is the Page Manor here in Athens, Pennsylvania. So at least everybody evacuated by some. So fire truck's still here. I think there was a squad vehicle there, ambulance there, ladder truck there. Good thing there's like no fire or smoke, but what if it's either triggered by the smoke detector or a pump station has been pulled or a fire sprinkler? So you don't see those flashes anymore because the alarms, I believe that they are reset. You see those red flashing lights, those are fire trucks. Got one engine on the right of the camera, and then near the building you would see the ladder truck. That's one truck 7, which I believe that's a 2007 La France. So it is Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. I hope I don't get caught for freaking filming this. It's probably illegal to do that. Who knows, it might be some malicious false alarm, or I don't even know if it's false alarm or not. truck right here, which I believe that's one squad 2. I think that right, that's one squad 2. One patrol car right there. I'm pretty sure. I wonder what kind of system what they have. I wonder if it's notifier, firelight, simplex, EST, Faraday, Siemens, whatever these fire alarm brands that I could think of. So basically, right here, I know there's one truck 7, which would be the aerial. One squad 2, that would be this little red truck there. That's behind one engine 2. So they got rid of the old one engine 2. And there's the blue lighter right there. So that must be a firefighter. So the ambulance definitely left. You can see the reflection of the lights. Looks like it's like purplish, red and blue mixed together to make purple. So I'm guessing maybe it's, I wonder if it's set off by the smoke detector by maybe somebody burnt the food or overcooked. I don't know. So at least the fire alarm's been reset. No fire. Hopefully those fire alarms don't reactivate. Never know. I've never seen in my life when you hear fire alarms go off and all the strobes were going off. It was like a light show. It looked like the windows was flashing, but it was the flashes from the strobe on the fire alarm. Which I believe they're ADA compliant because the lens on the strobes are clear. And the color of that has to be nominal white. So before I filmed, pretty much before I filmed it, I heard the sirens and I thought it was like a big fire, but found that was a fire alarm going off. So I know the fire alarms are on the third floor. third, fourth, and fifth. So they were going up. So it must be those. I mean, I thought the fire alarm like that was going off at the whole entire building. So people in those floors evacuated. School bus right there with a flashing strobe on the top. I think that's a safety liners, Thomas C2 safety liner. C2. Right now it's about 6:12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a school bus, definitely. So the Keystone Manor, I believe they got a Siemens fire alarm system, which I'm pretty sure they do. Monte Carlo, 156. Hope I don't run out of space because I'm 12 minutes into the video. Right now, just getting home. Might be dark. Ooh, it's time for me to get myself out of the weather and get myself inside. So I will put this under the fire. So I will put this under this video in the fire alarm system. I mean the fire alarm section. My channel and the watch playlist. So at least everybody evacuated and at least everything's okay at that place, that high rise. So other than that, before I run out of space, if you like this video, make sure you watch the video in full. If you like my content, make sure you hit that red button and bell. Leave a genuine comment after watching a full video. This is your boy T Studio X signing out. Peace.